So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So here is the update regarding the round 2 allotment of CSEP Counseling 2021. As you all are waiting for the last round of CSEP Counseling 2021. So here is the update. That is, you will get the allotment at the same time as you have got in the first round. That is before 5 p.m. today also you will able to get the result, and after that you have to take the admission. Otherwise, if you will not take the admission, you have to sacrifice your money that you have paid. And once you get the seat, you will also lose your previous seat that you have got in JOSA Counseling. But one thing to remember, if you don't get the seat, no matter which type of decision you have taken after first round, if you don't get any type of seat, you will get the refund by deducting 2 or 6,000 whatever applicable for you. And for the detail of refund policy and decision making, you can check my previous video, that is I have already uploaded. You can check the video in the I button as well as in the description box. So this is the update regarding the CSEP Counseling 2021 round 2 allotment. So if you don't get any type of seat, no need to worry, you can drop for the next year as well, and you can maximize your chances of getting the good college. Otherwise, you can do the Jack Daily counseling as well, which is going on, and up to tomorrow you will able to do the registration. And there is most important thing is that you will have the category reservation, whether you are from Delhi or from outside. There is so many seat available. You can check the seat matrix that is already uploaded for the phase 2 of the counseling. There will be so much chances because last year so many students got good college at very high rank, and especially if you are from reserve category. So this is advisable to do other counseling as well, so as to save one academic year. Otherwise you have to drop for the next year, but only with better counseling you will maximize the chances. So if you need any type of counseling guidance for Jack Daily or any other counseling that you are doing, such as COMEDK or MST CET, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number, so that there will be no mistake done in your counseling and you will get the best out of your rank. That will be my responsibility. So if you want, you can contact me. So after discussing with you, I will provide you all the decision, and if possible with your parents as well, so that I will able to know your personal interest, and based on that I will provide you all the decision and advice, so that you can get into the right college and you won't have to regret later after joining a wrong college or wrong branch. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe this channel, so that once the allotment will be done, I will try to inform you as soon as possible. Thanks.